gonna go to the fireworks store, one of those like tents, and try to get some fireworks. It is thundering, so we might not be able to do it. So, yeah.
You better hurry. I like it.
We're driving to the fireworks shop. We only have $25 to spend, so we don't think we're gonna be getting that much stuff, but we'll still be getting stuff. So, with my magical powers, I resume time. So we're gonna be there in 1 second. Okay, guys? Hey, we're here. Let's go in. Okay, let's go. It's kind of windy. This and maybe some sparklers. Let's dollars or something. Like not like that much. Look what's inside. Stay up late.
And we're gonna light some fireworks off. 2. Jovi wanted 4, and I said 2.
I wanted for 2. I don't know how to turn this camera upside down. We're gonna open this up. I mean, let's do it. Why are we going out here? I don't know. Let's do it, I guess. So, Oh, we're gonna do some smoke bombs and yeah, everything in the world. And these.
So it's July 3rd, 2022. Yeah, you think you got fireworks? Listen to our pop. You hear that, neighbors? We got party poppers. These are not fireworks, guys.
Yes, that was a big boom, everybody! That was a better boom.
We do one more big one.
But he can't have this because what?
Ooh, what is that?
I popped.
Oh, you popped it.
I think we should do this.
You're funny.
One.
What if they don't what? What if they don't what?
Like watch it right at
Oh, that's okay. We still have to edit and upload. Careful. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. So you say good night. See you tomorrow.
One more, please. One more.
I'm
One more.
I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes.
Hiya.
This is pretty yummy. You're not supposed to say a name on your YouTube. Yeah, we forgot to
Okay, so bye-bye.